Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to revise chapter number 1 of Vistas, the third level, written by Jack Finney. The story, the third level, clearly explores the science fiction generation of time travel. Jack Finney received the World Fantasy Award and the interweaves fantasy with reality in his projection of time and travel. तो इस स्टोरी में क्या है? द स्टोरी dwells on the theme of escapism as a psychological figure from the grim realities of the present day world along with the desire to stay with the past. And the story exposes the vulnerable side of the common man. Surrounded by myriad problems, we humans sometimes experience a craving for peace and serenity and look for possible escapes. This story is about time, intersection, and illusion, a kind of long dream that we do not experience during our sleep. The main characters here are Charlie, Sam, and Louisa. So let us study about Charlie first. Charlie is a 31-year-old man, and one night on his way back from work, he decides to take the subway at the Grand Central Station. Grand Central is this railway station which, as everyone knows, has two levels. सबको पता है कि Grand Central की two stories हैं. Preoccupied in a hurry. Preoccupied means there was something already moving in his mind. Charlie discovers an unknown exit that takes him through the long corridor into the third level. Here there were fewer ticket windows. The man at the booth wore green eye shades. The lights were open flame gas lights, and the women were old-fashioned, fully covered dresses. The newspaper, The Word, and the dated June 11, 1894. Charlie knows that from there, the third level of the Grand Central, he could go to anywhere in the United States. 1984. He decides to buy 2 tickets to Galesburg. वो गेल्सबर्ग की 2 टिकट्स लेनी चाहता है. Illinois for his wife Louisa and himself from the ticket window in the third level. फिर बेटे क्या है कि चार्ली अपने साइकेट्रिस्ट फ्रेंड सैम वेनर को इसके बारे में बताता है एंड सैम टेल्स हिम दैट इट वाज अ वेकिंग ड्रीम विश फुलफिलमेंट एज चार्ली वाज अनहैप्पी इन द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड. नेक्स्ट इज सैम. सैम कौन है बेटे? सैम जो है वो चार्ली का साइकेट्रिस्ट फ्रेंड है. सैम इज चार्लीज फ्रेंड, अ साइकेट्रिस्ट एंड द नेक्स्ट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर. When Charlie fails to find the third level of the Grand Central, his wife Louisa is worried for him and tells him to stop looking for it. जब चार्ली को थर्ड लेवल नहीं मिलता और उसकी वाइफ इसके बारे में वरीड हो जाती है और वो से बोलती है कि इसे मत ढूंढो, बट आफ्टर सम टाइम बोथ स्टार्ट लुकिंग फॉर इट बिकॉज दे फाइंड प्रूफ दैट द थर्ड लेवल exists. Charlie's friend Sam disappears. A first day cover that Charlie discovers in his collection is signed by Sam and is from Galesburg. Charlie subsequently discovers that Sam had bought $800 worth of old-style currency and moved to Galesburg, Illinois in 1894. He had set up a hay, feed and grain business as he had always said that it is what he really wished to do. And the next character is Louisa. Louisa Charlie की wife है. Charlie's wife Louisa was initially angry with Sam's suggestion that Charlie was unhappy when Charlie tells him about his sojourn to the third level of Grand Central Railway Station in New York. Then Sam explains that it is not marital unhappiness but dissatisfaction and discontent with the modern day living with insecurity, fear, war and worry. To escape from these pressures, Charlie's mind had sought refuge in the idyllic world of the third level. Louisa's conviction in the existence of the third level is affirmed only when she sees the note sent by Sam himself. और लुइजा को कब पता चलता है कि थर्ड लेवल था? जब वो खुद द रिटर्न नोट को देखती है. So third level is written by Jack Finney. It blends the fiction with reality. Fiction को reality के साथ जोड़ा गया है. It is about a man's wish to escape from the harsh realities of present life. इसमें क्या बताया है कि जो एक इंसान है वो इस वर्ल्ड की जो हार्श रियलिटीज़ हैं उनसे बचना चाहता है. चार्ले थॉट ही डज नॉट एडमिट इट, वॉन्ट्स टू गो इन टू द पास्ट एज ही इज़ अनहैप्पी. ही इज़ अनहैप्पी विद हिज वाइफ. In fact, he is as unhappy as he finds the world in which he lives full of hurry, tension, and war. His psychiatrist friend Sam tells him stamp collecting also as an escape into the past. There were only 2 levels at Grand Central Station. Grand Central Station के 2 levels ही थे, but Charlie had found the third one also. It was by chance. मैनी टाइम्स ही वॉज लॉस्ट देयर. और जो उसने थर्ड लेवल ढूंढा था उसमें वो कई बार गुम भी हुआ था. ही वॉज ऑलवेज डिस्कवरिंग न्यू डोरवेज, न्यू कॉरिडोर्स एंड न्यू टनल्स. ही हैड बिगन टू थिंक दैट द ग्रैंड सेंट्रल वॉज ऑलवेज पुशिंग आउट टनल्स एंड न्यू कॉरिडोर्स लाइक द रूट्स ऑफ अ ह्यूज ट्री. उसको लग रहा था कि जो ग्रैंड सेंट्रल है उसके जो टनल्स हैं वो ऐसे इधर उधर को निकली हुई हैं. टनल्स और कॉरिडोर्स जैसे कि एक ह्यूज ट्री की रूट्स होती हैं. There he lost his way and found himself on the third level. This level was entirely different and old-fashioned. The locomotive, the brass spittoons and the naked gaslight belonged to the previous century. वहाँ पे जो भी सामान था वो सारा उसे लग रहा था कि that this all is old-fashioned and belonged to previous century. He desired to escape to Galesburg, the town of his dreams. However, he was nearly arrested. The money he gave to pay the fare was different from that in use in those days. The booking clerk thought that he was cheating. Charlie thus ran into the present. He never found the third level again. However, his psychiatrist friend, who didn't believe that the third level existed, found it and escaped to Galesburg in 1894. उसका जो साइकेट्रिस्ट फ्रेंड सैम था वो ये बोलता था कि कोई भी थर्ड लेवल एग्जिस्ट नहीं होता है. और जब उसको लगा कि थर्ड लेवल है तो उसके बाद वो वहाँ से गेल्सबर्ग को चला गया. दैट्स ऑल विद दिस चैप्टर. ओके बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे अहेड.